Today is a tutorial on how to do slide 3 of your warm-ups. So you're going to go into classwork. Remember, we're always working from the classwork. You're going to click warm-up slides 2, 3, and 4 and click back into your assignment. Give it a second to load up. And then go to antonyms. So antonyms, you probably know, are words that are the opposites. So some of these words you may not know very well. You might actually have to look up the word. I suggest looking up at the word on the left-hand side first and see if you can figure out a word from the right-hand side. We're going to do a few of the harder ones together. I'm not going to do them all, but this says copy and paste the line. I think there's a lot easier way. I think the way to do it, and what I'm going to do is just go to select line and click line, and that way I can just do it. So the opposite of public is private. I'm going to look for the opposite of necessity. So necessity is something we need. The opposite of a necessity is a luxury. That means something you don't need, but it's really nice to have if you can have it. All right. Precious. Precious is something that you really prize. It's something that you really hold very dear. So think about it. The opposite of precious is worthless. Amateur, you probably know, is someone who is not professional in something. So yeah, you've got that. So we're gonna do. I think we have to keep going, unfortunately. Keep going from amateur to professional, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the word ambitious because I think that might be a hard one. So ambitious, meaning that you are really driven and really want to like do well at something. You can be ambitious at all kinds of things. You can be ambitious in school. You can be ambitious on the track or in football, or in band. So the opposite of ambitious then would be lazy. So that's how you do that. Again, we haven't done every word, but I did a few for you. And then I'm going to go ahead. That was a little easier to see. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in to my 100% to be able to see this part right here. So for this one, you're going to have to type an antonym for each of the word below. So my backpack is extremely cumbersome. Now, cumbersome is a word that I probably didn't know when I was your age. So I'm just going to go into Google. I'm going to type in cumbersome. And there it is, the definition, large and heavy. So then the opposite of large and heavy might be light. So my backpack is extremely light. I was so devastated to see that happen. So you probably know that devastated, the word devastation means like absolutely destroyed. So it's like an emotional destroying. So instead of I was absolutely devastated, I might be absolutely delighted to see that happen. I love to go hiking. That's pretty easy, right? I hate to go hiking, which is not true. I actually love to go hiking. And then again, so there are some words you might not know, like unkempt. Let's just go ahead and look up unkempt, which is a great word, by the way. Maybe somebody has called you unkempt when you've just crawled out of bed before, having an untidy or disheveled appearance. So you look messy. Notice the words here that are similar to that, messy, disorganized. So that would be the opposite of that, is Ainsley's room is kept very clean or tidy. I'm just going to use the word tidy because I like tidy. So again, don't worry about it all. If you need to go out there and you need to look up words to help you with this, feel free to use Google. It is totally not cheating to do that. I hope this helps you guys. Good luck on slide 3. We'll do slide 4 tomorrow.